Ladies and gentlemen, we are tired of this government which is cantankerous us. It is maligning, it is hoodwinking, it is bamboozling, it is Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to ask church leaders, our church leaders, don't be a mentally incapacitated limkumpu. Don't be a place where politicians come and doing their political things that does not help us. You must stop it. Church leaders, don't go to State House. Ama tutakuja tuwasalimie. Thank you very much.
So, I'm Dr. Lamek Santos. Yeah, nilikuwa nasema, church leaders, you are letting us down. You are sidelining with the president, who is a stupid and a fairly... So, Ruto, go back to class so that you learn how you are going to handle your people. In this country, we are angry with you. Go back home. Go.
Gen Z, Tibim. Gen Z, Ria. Gen Z, Ra. We don't fear anybody.
Nobody.
Nobody.